show you how I do my big black emo scene makeup. A lot of you have asked for eyeliner tutorial, so I guess I'll do this. So I, put all my hair up so it's not in my face, and the first thing I do is I put on a primer. This one is the NYX Photo Loving Primer. It's the green for to tone out reds in my skin. I don't have a lot. I got this from a friend who didn't use it, but you can use any kind of primer. You can even use like a concealer. It's just a base to put your eyeshadow on, so that way the colors show up more pigmented. The next thing I do is the eyeshadow. I use the NYX Ultimate Color Palette, and I'll be using a bigger fluffy eyeshadow brush. The color I'm using is the pink. You can really use any color. I usually default to the pink, or sometimes I'll do like green or whatever depending on like what my outfit is. But today I'll be doing the pink. And when I do this, I usually take it up a little bit past the crease, and I do below as well, about halfway, and a little in the corner. And I'm not really worried so much about blending it, because I'll do that. I'll come in with another color and do that later. I have big pink rings around my eyes. Next I go in with a smaller eyeshadow brush and I do the black. The black I'm using is also from NYX. For the black I keep it just on the lid, so up until the crease. And this you want to blend in just a little bit, just because I really don't often go back in to blend it. And you're also going to take the black and take this all the way around the eye on the bottom. Don't worry about being like messy or like worrying about fallout, because you will go on with like concealer and clean that up later. And that's how I do the black. Next I use the NYX Ultimate Neutral Palette, and I go in with another smaller eyeshadow brush, and I take a light color to blend in the pink. I just take this right on the outside of where the pink is and blend in the neutral color into my skin with the pink. And that's it for the eyeshadow. Next, I go ahead and clean up the eyeshadow. Right now I'm going to use my fingers, but sometimes I'll use a napkin and kind of just wipe underneath my eye to kind of get rid of the fallout. And then I go ahead and put a little bit of concealer right under where the eyeshadow is. Just a little bit because I don't want to blend it into my eyeshadow too much. And that kind of just cleans it up underneath so it doesn't look too messy. Next thing I do is my eyeliner. I use the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and I'm just going to put that on the top with a wing and a little bit on the bottom. So when I do my eyeliner wing, I usually bring it out just to where the pink ends, and that's where I like stop the wing. And then I bring it just down underneath to about the middle.
Can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake?
Next, I take a crayon eyeliner. The label rubbed off this one, but I'm pretty sure it's Wet n Wild. And I just do the inside of my waterline. And then I go ahead and I do my eyelashes. So first I curl them.
Sparks that I'm setting free. Does the beat take you over? You just can't breathe.
And I have to wait for my eyes to stop watering because my eyes always water when I curl my eyelashes. Okay. And then I put on my mascara, which is Too Faced Better Than Sex.
Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake?
And the last step, well, second to last step, is my eyebrows. The eyebrow pencil I'm using is also by NYX, if you can't tell. A lot of my makeup is NYX. It's affordable and cruelty-free, so I go ahead and do my eyebrows. I just comb them out and fill them in. And the actual last step of my makeup routine is using a setting spray, also by NYX. About a second to dry. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys found this informative or helpful at all. It's really just a super simple look, but a lot of people ask me how I do it, so there you go. See you guys next time.